Benefits of Blackseed and Castor Oil for the body, including relief for body itching. Hey, amazing souls! Welcome to Proactive Health Domain Channel, your go-to hub for natural health hacks that transform your life. Today, we're diving deep into a game changer, the top benefits of Blackseed oil and castor oil for your body, including the secret to banishing body itching naturally. If you've ever struggled with itchy skin, inflammation, or just want to boost your overall wellness, this video is your golden ticket. Hit that subscribe button now and ring the bell so you never miss a life-changing tip. Let's get started. Your body deserves this. Picture this: your skin glowing, your energy soaring, and that annoying body itching finally gone. All thanks to two powerhouse oils, Blackseed oil and castor oil. These natural wonders have been used for centuries, and in 2025, they're trending like crazy on YouTube for a reason. With over 500 hours of video uploaded daily, you need the best content to stand out. And trust me, this is it. Whether you're here for anti-aging effects, skin health tips, or natural remedies for itching, stick with me. Like this video if you're ready to heal naturally, and let's explore these miracles together. So, what's the buzz about? Blackseed oil, extracted from the tiny black seeds of the Nigella sativa plant, is dubbed the seed of blessing in ancient medicine. Packed with thymoquinone, it's a superhero for immune support, skin hydration, and even hair growth hacks. On the other side, castor oil, derived from the castor bean, is rich in ricinoleic acid, perfect for moisturizing skin, reducing inflammation, and tackling body itching. These oils aren't just trends. They're backed by science and viral on platforms like TikTok and YouTube for their natural healing properties. Curious? Keep watching, there's more magic to uncover. Let's kick off with Blackseed oil benefits that will blow your mind. First, it's a natural anti-inflammatory. Say goodbye to joint pain and swelling. Studies show it can reduce inflammation by up to 30%, making it a must-try for wellness enthusiasts. Second, it boosts immune health. Perfect if you're fighting off colds in 2025. Third, it's a skin savior. Think clear, radiant skin with its antibacterial properties. Fourth, it promotes hair growth, thicker locks in weeks, and it's going viral on YouTube tutorials. Finally, it may support weight loss by improving metabolism. Wow, right? Smear it on, sip it, or mix it. Your body will thank you. Drop a comment below with your favorite use, and don't forget to subscribe for more health secrets. Now, let's shine the spotlight on castor oil benefits. Number 1, it's a moisturizing marvel. Dry skin? Gone. Its fatty acids lock in hydration, making it a favorite for skincare routines. 2, it fights body itching like a champ. Rub it on and feel the relief as it soothes irritation. 3, it reduces inflammation, perfect for muscle aches after a workout. 4, it supports detoxification. Ancient Ayurvedic practices swear by castor oil packs. 5, it boosts circulation. Massage it in for that healthy glow. This oil is trending for a reason. Try it tonight and feel the difference. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited and subscribe for more natural remedies. Alright, let's tackle that pesky body itching. We've all been there, right? That scratchy, uncomfortable feeling that won't quit? Both Blackseed oil and castor oil are your heroes here. Blackseed oil's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial powers calm irritated skin, while castor oil's ricinoleic acid reduces itching by hydrating and soothing. Mix them together for a DIY itch relief blend. Apply it nightly and watch the magic happen. With some calling it the best remedy for itching in 2025. Share your itch-free journey in the comments and hit subscribe to join our health revolution. Ready to integrate these oils into your life? Here's how. For Blackseed oil, take a teaspoon daily. Mix it in smoothies or honey for a tasty boost. For skincare, apply it as a moisturizer or spot treatment. For castor oil, use it as a massage oil. Warm it up and rub it on itchy areas or joints. Try castor oil packs. Soak a cloth, place it on your skin, and relax for 30 minutes. Start today and let us know your results below. Before you dive in, let's talk safety. Both oils are natural, but test them on a small skin patch to avoid allergies. Blackseed oil is generally safe orally, but consult a doctor if pregnant. Castor oil can cause itching or redness if overused. Less is more. Avoid ingestion in large amounts due to its laxative effect. Wow, We've uncovered the top benefits of Blackseed and Castor Oil, from itch relief to glowing skin and beyond. These natural remedies are your must-haves. Like, comment, and subscribe to Proactive Health Domain for more health tips. Hit the bell, share this with friends, and let's heal together. What's your favorite benefit? Tell us below.